Now I'm going to show you how to install a free trial of QuickBooks desktop software. Here's a link to install the software. This year may vary, so make sure you check our syllabus to see which software you should be installing. And then we click on this link. I hope you're paying attention. This is the most critical part. Only choose the year of the software that your instructor tells you to install. Failure to choose the correct year may mean you cannot finish the class. Now it is time for us to prove to Intuit, who is the maker of QuickBooks, that we are a student at our college. So notice it says important. Your document must display the following: your full name, Paul Redmond was the person I was using as an example, your affiliation, which is Lake Washington Institute of Technology. So in other words, the document that we give them must show Paul Redmond's name, our name, the name of the school, and a date within the last 3 months. So here's some examples of things that the system will accept. So in this demonstration, I'll use the class schedule. To get a copy of our current schedule, we need to go to lwtech.edu and then point to current students. And then way over here on the right, we're going to go to Student Toolbox. And then down here it says My Schedule. We're going to click on that. Then it's going to ask for our student ID and PIN. So I'm going to use the student ID and PIN of a fictitious student because I can't use my schedule because I'm not because I'm not scheduled to take a class. So let me enter this information. Then check the email address that you use to sign up for the email. Within 20 minutes, you should get an email that looks like this for you. Click on Get My Schedule. And then we need to do a screenshot or a screen snip of this, and we're going to, it's really important that you save this, and then we're going to save this information to upload to the Intuit website. So to find the snipping tool, I'm going to go down to the magnifying glass on my computer to install the software. Type snip, and the snipping tool pops up. And here's the snipping tool and the way this works. I'm going to make sure I'm on rectangular snip, and I'm going to click on new, and then I'm just going to drag my cursor, click and drag. So remember, the instructions want to make sure that it shows our name, a date within the last 3 months, and the school name. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this. Now don't forget where you save this at. Save it, and then we can upload it. And now I can go down here, click on Choose File, navigate to the file, and then I can click on Submit.